All right, let's start with a question. Have you ever tried using an AI tool, typed in a question, and thought, why does this answer feel off? Well, here's the secret. It's not the AI, it's your prompt. Yep, the way you ask makes all the difference. Welcome to the world of prompt engineering, where crafting the perfect prompt is an art form. Let's dive in. So what is prompt engineering? Think of it as the way you talk to AI to get exactly what you need. It's like giving clear instructions to a friend. If your instructions are vague, the results can be all over the place. But if you're specific and structured, AI becomes your best assistant. Now let's break it down with an example. Say you want AI to write a funny tweet about coffee. If you type, write a tweet about coffee, you might get something boring. But if you say, write a witty, relatable tweet about why coffee feels like a morning hug in a cup, the AI gets it right. See the difference? It's all in the prompt. Here's the cool part. There are strategies to make your prompts shine. One trick is to start with context. For example, if you're asking the AI to write a story, set the stage. Imagine a futuristic world where robots rule, but one human finds a way to fight back. Write a thrilling first chapter. By giving the AI a clear scenario, you're already halfway to a great result. Another tip? Be clear about the format. Do you want a list, a paragraph, or even a poem? For instance, give me a list of 5 actionable productivity tips works way better than just tell me about productivity. The AI thrives on clarity. And here's a pro tip. Use examples to guide the AI. Let's say you want a business email. You could write, compose a professional email introducing our new product line, similar to this, in an insert example. This way, the AI understands your tone and style. But wait, it gets better. You can even use constraints to sharpen the output. For instance, write a persuasive product description in less than 50 words helps keep things concise. It's like setting the rules of the game, and the AI loves to play along. Now here's a game changer, iteration. Don't be afraid to tweak your prompt if the first result isn't perfect. Think of it as a conversation. You can always say, make it shorter, or focus more on the benefits than the features. The more you refine, the better the results. So why does all this matter? Because prompt engineering isn't just about getting good results. It's about unlocking the full potential of AI. Whether you're writing content, brainstorming ideas, or even coding, mastering this skill puts you ahead of the curve. And guess what? It's not as hard as it sounds. The key is to experiment, learn from the results, and keep improving. Remember, AI is a tool. It's only as good as the instructions you give it. All right, now it's your turn. Try crafting your own prompts and see the magic happen. Start small, like asking AI to write a creative bio for you. Then level up with more complex tasks, like creating a project plan or generating marketing ideas. You'll be amazed at what you can do. So, what do you think? Ready to become a prompt engineering pro? Drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. We're here to bring you more exciting content about AI, tech, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.